5 Home remedies to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. When skin debris combines with oil to clog a hair follicle, what is formed is called a comedo. Though blackheads and whiteheads are both Comedones, plural of Comedo, the former are open and the latter are closed, respectively. Why? That's because, in blackheads, though the pores get clogged, the top of the pores remains open. When exposed to air, these blemishes become dark. In whiteheads, the top of the pores remains closed, leading to a lack of air, which in turn leads to the whitish color. Neither of these Comedones should be ignored for too long. We have 5 easy home remedies for whiteheads and blackheads at little or no cost to you. 1. Almonds for whiteheads and blackheads removal. Grind a handful of almonds into a fine powder. Now, slowly keep adding rose water to the powder till a thin paste is formed. That done, apply it to the affected areas with the help of your fingertips and leave the paste on for about 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with chilled water. 2. Yogurt for removing whiteheads and blackheads. Yogurt has always been associated with healthy skin and hair. And it's really effective in ridding you of those nasty blackheads and whiteheads. Start by adding equal portions of lime juice and olive oil to 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, respectively. Mix all of these together into a fine paste and then apply it to the problem areas of your face. Rinse it off after 5 minutes with chilled water. 3. Eggs and honey to remove Comedones. No, this is not a pancake recipe, it's a recipe for clear skin. Egg whites are known to make the pores firm while honey acts as a moisturizer. Mix 1 teaspoon of yogurt with half a teaspoon of almond oil, 1 egg white, and a tablespoon of warm honey. Whisk the mixture well with a fork and apply it to your face. It will form a thin mask, which you can rinse off after some time. 4. Ground nut oil for blackheads and whiteheads removal. Ground nut oil not only cures the problem of blackheads and whiteheads, but it also helps nip the problem in the bud. Begin by taking a few drops of ground nut oil and mix it with a few drops of lime juice. Apply this on the affected areas of your face and let it sit for half an hour before you can rinse it off. 5. Lemon to remove Comedones. This is, by far, one of the easiest recipes to fight blackheads and whiteheads. Cut a nice juicy lemon in half and then squeeze out the juice from 1/2. To that, add a pinch of salt and apply the solution on the affected areas. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then rinse it off using lukewarm water. Now don't ignore those whiteheads and blackheads, because a trip to the salon costs an arm and a leg. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.